When it comes to scalping, everyone is looking for the same thing: fast entry, faster exit, and small but frequent profits. But the question is, how do you make the right decisions in this fast-moving market? Today, I'm going to show you how, by combining the EMA and CCI, you can act like a sniper in the market, without any guesswork, just with accurate and logical signals. The EMA, or exponential moving average, is a tool that reacts quickly to price changes. Unlike the SMA, the EMA gives more weight to recent candles, making it much more useful for scalpers who care about seconds. On the other hand, the CCI, or Commodity Channel Index, is an oscillator that measures the strength of a trend and the level of overbought or oversold conditions. When you learn to combine these two tools, you essentially have a two-stage filter, one for identifying the trend and one for precisely timing your entry and exit. For EMA, use two lines: EMA 10, faster; EMA 15, slower. When EMA 15 crosses EMA 10 upwards, it means the short-term trend is up, and vice versa. Now set CCI to period 14. When CCI is above plus 100, we are overbought. Below minus 100, we are oversold. The real magic happens when these two tools give signals at the same time. For example, EMA 15 crosses EMA 10 upwards, and at the same time, CCI goes from negative to positive. This is a strong entry signal. If you found this helpful so far, be sure to like this video so that YouTube's algorithm knows that this content is valuable. This way, it will be shown to more people, and you will help the channel grow. Yay! Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Part 3. Entry and exit. Real-life example. Let's say you check the BTC USDT chart on the 5-minute time frame. The EMA 15 crosses the EMA 10 upwards. The CCI also crosses above zero from negative 100. At this point, you enter a long trade. When do you exit? When the EMA 15 crosses the EMA 10 downwards again, or the CCI goes back below zero. In scalping, patience is a virtue. A precise strategy means entering quickly, exiting on time. Part 4. Risk management with EMA CCI. No matter how strong the signals are, scalping becomes dangerous without risk management. Our suggestion: place your stop loss behind the entry candle. Choose a target with a risk-reward ratio of at least 1-to-1, enter only when both tools give a signal. Part 5. Complementary tools. More confirmation. To increase accuracy, you can also use Fibonacci retracements. For example, if EMA CCI gives a buy signal and the 61.8% Fibonacci level is there, the signal will be much stronger. Also, don't forget to read the candles. A pin bar or engulfing candle can be a stronger confirmation for entry. Part 6. Practical tips for scalpers. Don't enter before the market. Wait for the EMA and CCI to talk to each other. Avoid sideways trading. When the market is not volatile, false signals are more likely. Best time to scalp. London and New York open conclusion. The combination of EMA and CCI is like having an accurate radar in battle. When you set them up correctly and are patient, you can make small but consistent profits with low risk. Don't forget, in scalping, quality is more important than quantity. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.